I will condemn 75 years of brutal occupation before October 7th. That's what I'm going to condemn. Enough is enough, brothers and sisters. Enough is enough. And what Gaza has done, is that it has shown the world the hypocrisy of those who claim to champion human rights and freedom. Gaza has shown the hypocrisy of those who said, we are the world's leaders because we are the best. We are the world's leaders because we are for democracy. We are for human rights. We are for liberties. And what a small group of people in Gaza have done is to show the world those were blatant lies, absolute lies. The mask has fallen. The mask of deceit has fallen. And the truth has been laid bare. And the myth of the moral superiority of Western civilization has been shattered single-handedly by our brothers and sisters in Gaza. And that is a fact. What we are seeing, brothers and sisters, there's no doubt that even after this war is over, there's a long way ahead.